So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add shadow to an image here on a Keynote presentation. So once Keynote's opened up and you have your image that you want to add shadow to, the simplest way to do it is to press on the image right here, open up this right hand side, make sure that style is selected, go down to where it says shadow right here, and where it says no shadow, select the shadow of your choice. So you can select drop shadow, so you want to make it a little bit more blurry. Change the opacity. As you can tell, there's shadow around just like that. You can do that. You can change the offset as well, whatever you're looking to do. You can make this a contact shadow as well, so you can make the blur, the offset, as well as the opacity just like that. You can also go to a curve shadow just like that, where you can make the curve outwards or inwards, whatever you have to do. You can play around with it and go from there. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to add shadow to an image on a Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.